EMS Consulting Group first developed its Lean Healthcare curriculum in 2011. This comprehensive e-learning version will equip you with a working knowledge of all of the key concepts and tools of Lean as they apply to healthcare, from strategy deployment to frontline Kaizen. The Lean Healthcare Certificate Program is offered as a standalone program with email support or for an additional fee with one-on-one remote coaching. This Lean Healthcare program will teach you the Lean transformation model from strategy deployment to value stream mapping to Kaizen. You will also learn the A3 problem-solving methodology, which we use to continuously improve. You will learn the keys to creating a lean culture, learn and practice team selection, and key characteristics of successful teams. We will also teach you how to create continuous flow and pull systems in a healthcare environment and the lean tools to support this, such as 5S Visual Workplace. You might be wondering how to get started with our e-learning. A great way to get started is to take our free trial. There is no obligation or credit card needed. Just click the link on the top right of your screen or in the description of this video to sign up. Then you can see how our system works for yourself. Our free trial includes a little course content from each of our major programs for you to check out. What about the benefits of e-learning? First, we have flexibility. Instead of requiring training at a particular time of day or for an entire day, participants can go at their own pace and access the system 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Next is cost. E-learning is much less expensive than any form of live training. When supplemented with live training, the total cost is still significantly lower. Finally, convenience. If you have team members in multiple locations, e-learning can make life easier. All of these benefits combined provide more value for you, the client.